aibu, unaniburudisha, nakosa maneno kwa jinsi ulivyopendeza, moyo wagonga du, unavyoniridhisha, kwako nadeka, unavyonibembeleza. So guys, naitwa Ninalibeki na niko hapa ndani ya Danger Beats, na hii ngoma ambayo nimeimba sasa hivi unazipata on YouTube and all social platforms, na jina ya huko ni Ninalibeki. Niko hapa kuparticipate in games zenye wanarani huku. Thank you.
With the beauty face ukinitazama, unafanya mwenza kumina data, unavoinama, unavoinuka, ndo unafanya mwenza kumira zama, nipe love, usinitende jamani. Leo ni msanii Locho hapa hivi, niko Danger Beats Media, niko kwa ma games hapa zenye wana run, ready for the games, au sio? Na napatikana in all platform at msanii Locho, Bombo Clat.
Hello guys, we are back again. Na leo niko hapa na Locho na Becky. We are here to play a game. Are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Let's go. Hey guys, welcome to another game. Na hii tunacheza alphabet letters challenge. Are you ready? Let's start. Choose a letter before K. Locho, point 1 taken. Choose a letter after R. No, is not Q. Let's keep looking. It's not O. Locho, point 2 taken. Choose a letter between M and O. Becky, 1 point taken. Which letter comes 2 steps before G? Which letter comes 2 steps before G? Not B. Let's keep looking. Becky, 2 points taken. Which letter comes 3 steps after T? Which letter comes 3 steps after T? Keep looking. Continue. 3 steps after T. Not P. Not X. Becky, 2 points taken.
Oh, 3 points. Becky, 3 points.
Pick a vowel after E.
Becky, 4 points. Pick a consonant before D.
MBC.
Jesus, I.
Sasa inaweza kuwa B.
After B, consonant before D. Pick a letter that comes immediately after Q.
Pick.
Immediately
A
after
letter that comes immediately after Q. Locho, 4 points. 3 points.